Hi, I'm Vicky. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made the lace and crystal choker as the finishing touch for Cherry Bomb's outfit. Thanks to everyone who supports me over on Patreon. You're helping me to continue to make videos and tutorials. If you'd like to consider supporting me, there's a link in the description and you can head over to Patreon and see all the different tiers and different rewards that my patrons get. So I've just got the rest of my red lace out and I'm thinking that this piece here with these roses coming down off it would be perfect. So the scallops would be the top around the neck and then it's going to come down, this piece will come down the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out down the edge here, around there, around the flowers, and then finish there. So it's almost symmetrical, but this pattern in the middle is a bit asymmetrical. Okay, I've just tried it on my neck and these bits are just too wide and they're not sitting properly. So I'm actually going to cut it right up to the bottom of this more solid part. Obviously, whatever lace you use is going to vary compared to what I've got. So you can just adapt it to suit the lace that you're using. So I'm left with that at the minute. Let's go and try it on the neck of the mannequin and see how it sits. So that's how it's sitting. So when it's pulled tight, this top one's just curving down a bit. So I just need to cut between them a touch. Again, so that one can sit up and these ones can curve around the back. So it's like shaping the lace like we did over the corset to get it to sit how you want it to. And then next, when I pull it tight, you can see it's lumping up here. So I need to cut between them and just overlap. Again, it's exactly what we did on the hip of the corset when we put the lace on there. So now if I pull that tight, that part can sit up there, which gives it a better shape. Okay, so I'm happy with that shape, but now because the rest of the outfit's got black on it and the red's over the black, this also needs to be the same. So I'm actually going to use a piece of velvet ribbon, which I'm going to stitch this to, which brings in the black from the rest of the outfit. And then I'm just going to use some narrow black ribbon at the back so it can be tied up. Just pin that so it's sitting nicely and then stitch all this together. Cool, so this is how it all looks pinned together. I just wanted to put it back on and just double check that it was sitting right. So now I know it's sitting okay, I can go ahead and sew it all together. So I've decided just to add 2 more roses at the sides just because it was looking a little bit triangular and pointy. So they're just going to fill in those gaps there. So the last job to do is to add the crystals to it. So the same as I did on the corset and bra and knickers, I'm going to put black on the black. Lots of ABs along the top where the scallops are and fading downwards, and then some red on the rest of it. I've left these roses only attached at the top and not there, so when it's worn they can move sideways and sit where they need to. So here's the choker all sewn together and I've added all the crystals now. So much like the corset and bra and knickers, I've started with the AB crystals heavier on the edge and then faded them out and then started the reds. And then I've got black crystals on the black. So that's it. This is Cherry Bomb's outfit completely finished and she's going to be here soon to put it on. So I will be back to show you the finished outfit on Miss Cherry Bomb. So here is Miss Cherry Bomb wearing the complete outfit. So we've got the corset, the embellished bra and knickers, that long chiffon skirt and the necklace. It works together as a complete outfit like this. But all the pieces are quite versatile by themselves as well. I could see the corset being worn over black pants and a black shirt, or black pants with a black bra and jacket would look really good. The black skirt is something that can be worn with other outfits as well, and the necklace could be used again under a black jacket or just to bling up another outfit. So hopefully it's something that Cherry Bomb will keep and treasure and wear for a long time and wear in all sorts of different combinations. And yeah, I look forward to seeing what she does with it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with another video, and the next series I've got coming up for you is how I made Jazita's new costume. See you soon.